Artoonza.
Hey there, fruity artists and number wizards. Did you know the number 5 has a secret sweet side? That's right. Today, we're turning it into a juicy apple with just a few creative strokes. Give us a big thumbs up. Grab your crayons, markers, and a big splash of imagination. It's time to get drawing and make your art appealing. Let's crunch into this fun adventure together. Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together. Green.
Wow!
Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. This is better. Whee! Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Yummy, yummy, an apple. Yummy, yummy, a red apple. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.